A very welcome to everyone present here at Padho Bio. So today we are going to start our new topic, that is photosynthesis from plant physiology. So this will be a series of videos in which each and every video will be arranged in a sequence in the playlist. So never skip any of the videos. So without further wasting our time, let's get started. This is the first part of photosynthesis in which we will discuss some basics about plant physiology. Sometimes a most common question rises that who is the father of plant physiology? And you have to answer Stephen Hales. And when the question is about Indian father of plant physiology, then the answer is J.C. Bose. That is Jagdish Chandra Bose. When we take an example of a general plant diagram, then we used to label their stem, leaves, flower, fruits and birds, and inside the ground area we generally label it as root. But in plant physiology, all the part of plants which are above the ground are known as shoot system, and the parts which are under the ground are known as root system. We know that a plant is also a living organism. So just like any other living organism, plant also requires some metabolic processes such as uptake of carbon dioxide, release of oxygen, transport of water and food materials, nitrogen metabolism and anti-herbivore like activities, etc. So do you know what is anti-herbivore? So before I tell you anti-herbivore, you must know about what is herbivore. Let's take an example of herbivore. Herbivore is the consumption of plant material by animals, and herbivores are the animals which are adapted to eat those plants. All of us have seen cattle grazing in the ground and eating grasses or different plant products. There are various examples of herbivores like deers, goat, rabbits, buffaloes, etc. Now coming to the topic, we split photosynthesis in two equal parts, photo and synthesis. Here photo means light and synthesis means to make. And what plant is making here? Food. Food here is the C6H12O6. It is described as carbohydrate. Photosynthesis is an anabolic reaction. An anabolic reaction means where different simple molecules combine to form a complex molecules. As you can see here, carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight as an energy combines to form carbohydrate molecule. Now let's see some experiment to understand the basics of photosynthesis. The first experiment was given by Joseph Priestley in 1770. This experiment revealed the essential role of air in the growth of green plants. You have to focus only on the conclusion of the experiment, not on the theory. So in this experiment, Priestley takes four components: a bell jar, a plant, a mouse and a candle. Here in the first situation, he observed that when a candle is placed in an enclosed bell jar, the flame of the candle was gradually put off. Then he takes another situation in which he added mouse with the same situation. Mouse also suffocates in a closed space such as enclosed bell jar and dies. So from these observations, Priestley concluded that a burning candle and an animal change the composition of the air. He reasoned that something was necessary in the air to keep the flame burning and to make the mouse stay alive. Priestley then placed a mint plant inside the same bell jar, and he found that the mouse stay alive and the candle when lighted from outside continued burning in the presence of mint plant. Then Priestley concluded that the plant produced a gas, oxygen, that supported the burning of that candle and also allowed the mouse to survive respiration. Production of the gas takes place due to the massive exchange of gases occurring through a particular section of the leaves called stomata.